In this video, we are going to see how we can change the text color in the Please Donate game. Whether you are using it on the Android or iPhone, the procedure is pretty simple. First of all, you will approach a stand, and to claim a stand, all you have to do is just place the thumb when it says stand claim. We place a thumb here and it will be claimed. But as you can see on the top, the text is not either mentioned or it is mentioned in white. So if you want to change the font and design, what you can do is just hold on to it again and you go to the edit option, and from here you will see all of these options which says this text. So if you want to mention some text like please donate for game or something, whatever you like to display on your stand, you can display it like this, and as soon as you hit close, it will be saved right away, and you can see on the top it is now saved. But let's say if you want to change the text color, here is what you can do. Just hold on to it again, and once you go to the options, we see different text colors. So let's say we want to switch from green to something else like purple. We will switch it from here, and also if you want to change the text font, we have a lot of options here as well. So let's try changing it to cartoon font, and here you go. This is how you can easily change the font or the text color in Please Donate stand. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.